Hi, here we have the assembled iDrive controller from BMW F10. As you can see, some have spoiled a liquid on the joystick, and the liquid has spilled under the electronic board, and this is what happened. As you can see, the contacts are oxidized, and there are two pins from the chip that have been broken. Yes, we can see there's one on this side and one pin here on the other side. Just to mention here, as you can see from this other board, this is a 10-pin iDrive controller. There is also for F13 models the same. On the upper look, the controllers look the same, but instead of two boards there are only one board, and there is the controllers on the downside, and there is only 3 pin on this type of controller. The model of this controller is 658292064444/01. And here we are done with the soldering, and we hope that will work now. Now we need to assemble the iDrive controller. This is the way the board goes on the joystick. You need to push the flat cable plug. The flat cable goes here. And after that, you press the clip. The board goes this way. Next, there is the cover, and you cannot miss it. There we go. You need to clip it. That's right. And after that, on top of the connector board, there we go. And now we are placing our components. Here, this bit, this is on top, and bottom cover. So how we're gonna place this? You see, there's from the 4 holes on this, there is one with a pinch, then also one here with the pinch here. So this is go like this, and after that, the next bit is this one. See, it's also one side with the pinch here, also on the joystick, and this is go right here. Yes, that's right. After placing this, there is the screw that need to be set here, and careful, this is a magnet. we go. For this we're gonna use this tool, 5.5 millimeter tool. Yes, that's right. After that there is the plastic that goes up here, and after that there's only left the cover on top that you cannot miss it. There's also clips on the sides, and this is it. Some of the clips are broken here. Now there are only longer screws. Go 4 screws, 4 long screws and 4 short screws. The long one goes in the middle, the short one go from the outside. Now we're gonna use other tools. We're tightening the screws. The only thing that is missing is this cover and this badge for the part number, and this is it. Oops. This is assembled iDrive controller. Now I just need to fire it on the car and see if it works. Thanks for watching.